Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharmin. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today's makeup look is this makeup look, and I used all Drugstore product, and couple of pieces are I never tried it from Drugstore, and they're not new from Drugstore, but they're new for me because I never tried it. And so far I really like it, especially the eyeshadow palette. It's my favorite. And yeah, if you want to see how I create this makeup look, please keep on watching. Using my Hard Candy hydrating primer. I really like this one. Look at this primer, has little stickiness, so which I like. I feel like it makes my foundation like stick better to my skin. That's why I really like this primer. Foundation, I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Fresh Wear foundation. I'm just gonna grab 2 pump. It's very liquidy foundation, which I like, and it's very lightweight, and I'm just gonna blend with my sponge. Now I'm gonna go with my LA Color Conceal Correct. This one is Peach Corrector. And I'm gonna blend with my finger. For concealer, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This one is Light Scent. I'm gonna do cream contour as well using my Fit Me foundation, stick foundation. First, I'm gonna blend out with this brush. This one is e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush. I'm just gonna blend out this contour shade first. Now I'm gonna blend my concealer with the sponge. So I got a little bit more concealer and I put that under eye. So I'm gonna put this little bit on my nose contour. And I'm gonna blend with this sponge. So for my under eye, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild contour palette. This one is Dolce di Leche. It's not new to Drugstore, but this is like, I used it a long time ago. Then I just found it other day. I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it out again. So for the set my under eye, I'm gonna use this yellow banana powder. And on my forehead, just wanted to make more highlighted, and on my nose and on my chin as well. And set my contour, I'm going to use the same palette. For blush, use this e.l.f. Patty blush, and I'm gonna try it to put this because I didn't set my face with anything here. So for blush, I'm using this brush, and I'm just gonna tap it. Beautiful color, I really like it. For highlighter, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter Powder. This one is Precious Petal. It's like one of the best highlighter from Drugstore. For eyebrow, I'm using my Milani brow pomade. This one is number 4 brunette. So for my eye, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette from NYX Cosmetics. I never tried NYX Cosmetics like eyeshadow palette. Color, it's so beautiful. Like you have neutrals, you have like, you know, like a little pop-up colors, like, you know, green, and also like, you know, the shimmer shades are so beautiful. So I was like, that's kind of interesting, and I can like, you can create a lot of like a different look with this, and I kind of used this other day. I really like it. So first, starting with this this color, this is more like a peachy nude, like an orangey, but it's more like a neutral color, and I'm gonna put this on my eye, all over eyelid actually. Now I'm gonna go with this this one using like a same brush, and I'm gonna dip it up like an outer V. No fallout at all. It's so beautiful, and it's blending it out really nicely. Get my pencil brush, and I'm gonna use this 2 shade, and I'll put this on my lower lash line. I kind of wanted to use this green bluish. It's so beautiful. Look at these shimmery colors. So pretty. This gold, look at the gold, it's so beautiful. Like this is so pretty. I really like it. Like I love this color. It's so pretty. Now I'm confused, what color should I use? So I just did this eye without like showing you guys, because I had to work with this eyeshadow palette, so I was not sure what color I will go at. So now I'm gonna go over with this like a green. It's more like a sage green kind of color. It's not like a really vibrant green. I'm gonna put this on my eyelid. It's very pigmented too, like it's a very different unique shade. And I'm gonna put this like make like a softer cut crease kind of shape with this. Now I'm gonna get this another flat shader brush. I'm just gonna get this little bit, this dark shade. This one is very pigmented. I'm just gonna put this on my outer V, the purpley plummy tone, and I'm just putting it on my outer V, and I'm just blending it with this brush. So I'm going back to my blending brush, and first shade, this like a brown shade, just dip into it, and I'm just gonna blend the edges with those 2 shades together. Now I'm gonna go back to my flat shader brush using this green. I'm just gonna go over again, and I feel like I blended out already, so I'm just gonna put this. Now I'm gonna get my Morphe setting spray, and I'm just gonna set onto my brush, and I will get this green shimmery shade, and I'm gonna put this on my eye on top of this green shade. Now I'm going back to my flat shader brush and getting this brown shade, and I'm gonna put this just like outer V here and blend those two eyeshadow together. And I'm gonna get this lighter shade, maybe this lighter shade. It has a slightly shimmer on it, and I'm gonna put this on my brow bone. And for my lower lash line, I'm gonna get this green shade using my flat shader brush, and I'm gonna put this really close to my lower lashes. And I'm gonna put this on my lower lashes, on this like inner corner as well. Kind of I'm dragging into my lower lashes halfway. So for my waterline, I'm going to use, this one is new to me and I never use L'Oreal liquid liner, kajal pencil, and I'm gonna tight line with this. For mascara, I'm using my Lash Sensation from Maybelline. For lashes, I have two options. I got these two from Drugstore. This I never tried this style, and also the individual one. So I feel like this eye makeup, I don't think individual lashes will look good. So I'll use this off camera, then I'll be right back. Lashes are on. I really like this lashes. This one is like Arden Professional 3D fauxmink lashes, and it looks so nice and I like it so far. I like that lashes. So for my lip, I'm gonna line my lips with this Morphe Sweet Tea lip liner. And for lipstick, I'm going to use this NYX Shine Loud liquid lipstick. This one is Born to Hustle. It's like a very nice nude tone, and I tried this liquid lipstick in a darker color, so I found this lighter nude shade, so I just got this. Now wait for it to dry a little bit, then I will put lip gloss on top of it. Finish up my makeup, I'm going to use my Morphe setting spray. And this is my completed look. I really like this eyeshadow palette. This is highly recommended because it's a drugstore version of, like, you can try a lot of different color. And oh my god, this two green, like these two of them is my favorite, and all the shimmery is so beautiful. And also I like the liquid lipstick is also nice, and because I tried this in a different color, and this one is so, like, you can see it's like a totally transfer proof, so that's why I really like. And I'm glad I got a different color, because the darker color is not for everyday use, you know, so that's why I was looking for lighter color, and it's been sold out everywhere. So finally I got this, like a more nude, like a peachy tone, more wearable shade. And also, and this is my, like, I like it to go. I used this on a long time ago, then I kind of forgot about it. Now I really like it. This powder is really good. For putty blush, I'm not really like a fan of that putty blush, but like I feel like this one is for like a like more like a natural makeup, like you don't wear any foundation or concealer, not like a full coverage foundation. And one is more for like a tinted moisturizer first, then use this. Maybe it's gonna blend out more nicely, like you know how I use it, maybe it's not the right way. So that's the reason I didn't like it. But the lashes too, even the mink lashes is so pretty and so fuller and volume. Like I really like it. I hope you guys will like it. If you like it, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribing my channel. So see you in my next video. Bye guys.